Hi learners, very good evening. Welcome to Unified Study. This is Thulasi doing here the paper 1 analysis of wbset. Welcome you to Unified Study YouTube channel. Welcome you all. The question paper, it seemed to be very good. The questions are very standard questions and many of that which we have discussed in our Unified Study YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the analysis of paper 1. Very good evening, Rubaya. Very good evening. So let me start with the questions of wbset. Yeah, I've worked out few problems. So just we go with that one. Is the screen visible? Yes. Is the screen visible, learners? Okay. We start this. We will start, Rubaya. The first answer, identify the non-probability sampling technique from the following. As we have mentioned many a times, probability sampling discussed and it has been also asked in the net examination also. Sampling is SSC, triple SC, non-probability sampling, SE, JQ, right? So non-probability sampling is being asked. It's a purposive sampling, simple, systematic and stratified or probabilistic sampling. Yes. The next question, the items in the questionnaire should be presented in the order of general to specific. General to specific means it starts with your name, it starts with your personal general details, which class we were studying, right, which course we are doing, and then slowly they will just moving into the subject and then they'll be asking the specific based questions, right? Yes, the right second one, the answer is general to specific. And the third next one, the survey monkey, an online reference tool, and this tool is mainly meant for creating doing online surveys. Okay, it is mainly meant for doing the online surveys and it will be also be providing us with the templates for surveys. So the right answer for this one is the survey templates. Yes, and ethics is research is not concerned with, what do you mean by research ethics? We should not copy others. We should be concerned towards our participants, right? We should not do plagiarism. All these things are concerned with research ethics, right? Here, the political ideology of the researcher, that is not comes under the research ethics, right? It does not comes under the research ethics, right? And the next question, please learners, kindly put your like in the like session. The new learners, please kindly subscribe the channel. And next comes very important types of research. Many a times we have been discussing in our class, right? Research, type of research and their examples where they apply. What do you mean by looking at the keywords? We'll be able to identify. See, peer interaction. When we do interaction is we do interaction only in terms of qualitative research, right? So when we go to the research method, which is the qualitative research, and thus talks about in a racially mixed classroom, right? Racially mixed classroom is the keyword, and racially means different culture, right? So different culture is ethnography research. So A3, and developmental pattern of intelligence among the middle school students. A development pattern of intelligence among the middle school students, if you take the options, right, it is cross-sectional. Cross-sectional means a group of students at a time a thing will be taken. So this is cross-sectional, right? An effect of watching television on science achievement of 9th grade students, right? This can be easily given by experimental. Impact of, see here you can also get say, ma'am, it has been already done. Why can't we this seek in exposed factor? But it is not the thing. Exposed factor is already done before. Now I am going to study about the impact. Why it has been done? What is the impact of that happening, right? So the D is nothing but what? Exposed factor. So option B is the right answer. A3, A is ethnography. B1, B1 B1, developmental of pattern of a cross-sectional effect of watching television of science achievement of ninth grade student. It's experimental research. Impact of students is the exposed factor, right? Very good. Next is also important, qualitative research characteristics. Qualitative research characteristics. So it comes qualitative research means what? It will be always specific towards generalization. Context is specific, right? And research tool dependence will be for quantitative research, right? This is the researcher dependence. It's biased, right? It depends upon the researcher. So obviously two will be there. So where there is no two, you can strike it out. We can strike these two. Only these two are there. Definitely context free generalization will be for quantitative data. So three will not be there. So we can eliminate. So option B is the right answer. Actually, looking at this third option, we can eliminate things, right? When you look at the third option, context-free generalization, we can eliminate 1, 2, 3. A, C, D can be eliminated. Using elimination technique, you can easily do this problem. Yes, context-free generalization, we have been asked in the net examinations also. Yes, next one. Obstacles which distort the meaning. Which distort the meaning. Meaning is the keyword of a message in a communication is called as what? It's semantic barrier. Yes, semantic barrier. Very good. Next, in a group of logical sequence of effective communication. So actually this communication is with of Tucker's model. It is Tucker's model of communication. Okay. And according to the Tucker's model of communication, right? The effective communication will be done with this form: forming, storming, norming, performing, adjourning, right? Forming means specification of common goals and desired behaviors will be done here. Storming means we'll be doing the brainstorming. Many conflicts will be there. We'll be doing negotiation between the group people. Right? Storming will be there. Norming means what? Will be accepting things within the team people, right? Conscious and the team spirit. Performing means what? Finding the balance and conformity and deviance. As we have been in a group, right? And adjourning is feedback and the dispersion. Option 3 will be the right answer. Next one. Production of original music composition and recording is the domain of copyrights. Whenever we do music, right? In everywhere in YouTube, all the places will be the music, right, who have composed, they'll be asking for copyrights, right? The original people who have done their music composition and their recording will be saving their own composition by means of copyrights. Okay, the right answer is copyrights. And this is very interesting question in a society where people learn from members of other cultures and grow together, right? When they grow together, then we will call it as what? It is intercultural communication, right? It's called as intercultural communication when they grow together. But when some may have a doubt of why, ma'am, why not it is cross-cultural? We may have a question of why it is not a cross-cultural. Why? Because cross-cultural, intercultural, both are different. In cross-cultural, what we used to do is not all people necessarily need to grow together. Okay, it is of comparison of different cultural people will be there. Their things will be accepted, but definitely all the people need to transform to their own things, right? Because every people will have their own things will be there. Where the collective transformation is not necessary in the cross-cultural research. Okay, but in intercultural research, what will be happen here is everyone will understand each other and the mutual exchange of ideas will be there, and that cultural norms and that relationships we call it as what? Intercultural communication, intercultural environment. Yes, very good. Next one. This question been asked in net examination one time. Let the truth prevail. Let the truth prevail is the tagline of Times of India, right? It's for Times of India. So C4. So we have C4 with the B option, only one option, only enough looking at other options, so that simply we can take the option number B. Okay. Yes. Next one. Very interesting Swayam question has been asked, right? We have two questions from Swayam and Swayam Prabha. This is one question. Next question is coming here. Swayam is the MOOC platform, Massive Open Online Course platform, which aims on to take the best teaching learning process to all the learners, including the most disadvantaged group. Yes, it is right. It is to accomplish, they have given not to, but it is to accomplish the three cardinal principles of access, equity, and equality. So option 1 is right, option 2 is incorrect. Okay, yes. Next is also from Swayam and all the e-learning platforms they've asked question. Actually, this is not Prava, it's Prabha. P-R-A, B-H, it's Prabha, Swayam Prabha actually. There's a typing mistake, I hope so, with set. So Diksha is nothing but Vidyadhan, where they have the learning materials will be there. And Swayam is the online courses through MOOCs. So B1. But here all the options in B1 are here. Swayam Prabha, it's a broadcasting, educational, curriculum driven contents will be there. Right? So C is for 2. So only C2 is option number D. So option D will be the right answer. Yes, learners? Yes, very good. Kindly do like the session. I'm doing the paper 1 analysis of wbset. I'm trying to give the answers for the paper 1 which has been asked today. And which of the following maximizes the learning environment in educational institutions, that is engaging the pedagogy. What in by engaging pedagogy is when a teacher has to be engaged in, this is to my opinion, this question is according to my opinion. Okay, maximize the learning environment is according to the how far I engage in doing the subject content. Okay, so that's maximize the learning environment in the education by means of the engagement in pedagogy. And this is with respect to adolescent learner characteristics. With respect to the learning characteristics, we have the 4 domains, that is societal, social, cognitive, academic, and emotional. Social means what? Social means moving from concrete to abstract thinking. With respect to socially, when I move, I will be moving from concrete thinking to abstract thinking. Okay. Um, sorry. So it's nothing. For option A is cognitive. When I was thinking level, right? Sorry. So this is 2. And the social identity in terms of society, when it comes to society, I need to have my own identity, right? So that is what we call it as a social dimension. When it comes to society, I need to have our own personal identity. So then process of establishing a sense of personal identity, that is social dimension. Okay. So option A is 2, that moving from concrete to abstract thinking. This will comes under the intellectual domain. Intellectual domain it comes under. Okay. Demonstrate resilience and coping skills is emotional. Focus on personal decision making is academic. Okay, so D is for 3. Yes, very good. Next one. Actually, this is very easy. This time in wbset, the DA was not been that much tough, right? It was very easy and very easy. Each one problem they have given. And in this problem, they have asked questions with respect to percentage increase, right? Percentage increase, they have asked question. What is the formula for percentage increase? Final value minus old value divided by old value into 100 will be the percentage increase, right? Here what they have done is, I'll be just doing for raw. We have to find out for raw material, power, sales, plant and machinery, everything. How to find out, ma'am? Just subtract 2011 minus 2010 divided by 2010. So when I subtract 6240 by 5200 into 100, that's all. So that we'll be able to get very easily. See, when I subtract 6240 minus 5200 divided by 5200 into 100. So I'll do it here in the bottom. So for raw material, that is 1040 divided by 5200 into 100. Okay. So this goes for 20 times. So this is 20%. Okay. When I take power and fuel, that is 9,540, 450 minus 7,000 is nothing but 2,450. Am I right? Yes, it is 2,450 divided by 7,000 into 100. So cancel. This becomes what? 35. So raw material and power supply is not the option. Okay, next one is with respect to salary and wages. So salary and wages, when I calculate, what it will come? So 12,600 minus 9,000, that is 3,600 divided by 9,000 into 100. So when I cancel, it will be getting nearly 40 percentage. 40 percentage. If you see, they have given raw material, salaries and wages, they are not same. The question is same. So this will not come. So we have to go with the advertising, the next one. What is the advertisement? 15,000, 19,500. So advertisements. So 19,500 minus 15,000, that is 4,500 divided by 15,000 into 100. So this comes around 30%. This comes around 30%. So salary wages is 40, advertisement is 30. So this will also not come. Power fuel we have been find out as 35 percentage, right? So 35% advertisement, this will also not come. So definitely option D will be the right answer. Just you have to find out for the research development. What will be research development? This is 26,400 minus 22,000, that is 4,200. Right? Yes, it is 4,200 divide, sorry, 4,400. 4,400 divided by 22,000 into 100. So this is 20%. This is 20%, right? So R&D and the raw material. Option D will be the right answer. Option D will be the right answer because this is also 20%. Research development is also 20%. Option D is the right answer for this question. Yes? So learners, those who are watching, we are also giving Unified Study Platform is also giving paper one complete course for the aspirants who are preparing for your set examination and also for the upcoming June 2024 net examination. You can kindly visit the Unified Study Platform for more details of set examinations. Yes, next question, moving to next question. Next is very simple problem. They have given a ratio of male and female students in a college of 5 years is plotted in the line graph. And the number of female students doubled in 2009. Okay. In 2008, it is, this is nothing but the ratio of male to female. Ratio of male to female is given here in this axis. And this axis is years. And in compared to 2008, in 2009, the female students number has been doubled. Okay, what we have to find out, what is the increase in male students they have asked. How to find out? Again, very simple. The male and the female ratio in the year 2008 is how much? It is 2.5. So you assume the female candidates be 100 in the year 2008. Then what will be the male then? So m divided by 100 into 2.5. So m is equal to 250. This happened in the year when? 2008. They have given what? In 2009, the number of female candidates has been doubled. So male is 250 and female is 100. This is what our assumption, right? This is what our assumption. So if doubled means what? It will be doubled from 100 to 200. So in 2009, what they have given, see the ratio is 3. So m by f is equal to 3. So as it is being doubled from what? From f is female in 2008 is 100. Doubled means it is 200. So in 2009, female will become what? 200. So here m divided by 200 is equal to 3. Therefore, the male is equal to how much? 600. So in 2009, number of male candidates will be 600 and number of female candidates will be 200. What a question they have asked. What is the shift number of increase in the male percentage they asked. So from 250 it has been increased to 600. So we have to find out what is the increase percentage of the male students. How to do? 600 minus 250 divided by 250 into 100. Simple, right? So this comes 350 divided by 250 into 100. So 1010 get cancelled. This goes for, you can also make this way. This goes for this 0 get cancelled. This goes for 1 time. This goes for 4 times, right? So when I multiply, I'll be getting 140. Simple, right? The right answer is 140%. Yes, learners. The right answer for this question is 140. Yes, Anand, easy question paper. And I move to the next one. This is a statement-based question. The data acquisition is a process of sampling signals that measure the real-world physical conditions and converting the resulting samples into digital numeric values by manipulated by a computer. This is theory. And this is a process, another definition, process of digitalizing data from the world around us so that it can be displayed, analyzed, and stored in the computer. Both the statements are right, the correct explanation. This is a question from the ratio and the proportion. Very simple question. They have given us a P is to Q, Q is to R, and R is to S. That is what? This is 4, this is 1 is to 2, this is 4 is to 3, and this is 4 is to 5. So what we have to make is, we have to make this common term. Here Q common, here R common. That we have to make it into common, right? So what we can do, we have, these two are a pair, these two will be a pair. So I can do one thing, we can make these two as the same, these two cubes as the same. How can we make it as the same? When I multiply it by 8, right? When I multiply it by 8, it will becomes what? 8 is to 16. Similarly, when I multiply it by 4, this will becomes what? 16 is to 12. See here, the both these terms has become same, so that we can equate now. Similarly here, right, this R and this will be equal. So here it has become what? As 12. So I have to make this also as 12, so that I am going to multiply it by 3. I am going to multiply. So this will becomes as what? 12 is to 15 it will become. What they have given, we have done the proportion, right? P is to Q, W is to Q is to R. Sorry, R is to S. Is to R is to S we can do, right? How to do it? So it's 8 is to 16 and 16 is to 12. Sorry, 12 is to 15. This is 12 is to 15. It's 12 and this will be 15. Okay, this will be 15. So what they have given here, the value of S is 15. Yes, S is equal to 15. In the question you see U is 15 percentage more than S. U is equal to what? 15 percentage more than S. What is S? 15. So this goes for one time, this goes for 7 time, this becomes 7.5. Then we have to, is more than they have given. So what we have to add? We have to add with the S. So 15 plus 7.5 is equal to 22.5. So what will be the, what they've asked? They asked for P is to U. What is P? P is nothing but 8. What is U now? It is 22.5. You can ask, ma'am, it is not in the option. So this will be dropped question. No, we can make it, right? We can make any of the options like multiplying commonly by 2. This will become 16 is to 40. This will become 16 is to 45. Hi Lopa ma'am, good evening. Hi Anand, good evening. So the answer for this question is 16 is to 45 is the right answer. Next one, this we have done so many times. I think you may get literally just looking at the question very carefully when you attend the discrete and the continuous, but it's very easy question, right? Option A, qualitative data, this is description based, so you can eliminate option A and option D can be eliminated, only B and C. B and C will be confused with the discrete and the continuous data. Discrete data means what? The discrete data means what? Discrete data means it is said to be numerical and countable. If it is continuous data means what? It is measured in the interval scale. It has some intervals will be there to be measured, right? So D 3 and C it is 4. So option C is the right answer. Clear learners? Yes? Clear? Yes. Okay, next question. Next is also very, very simple. This is nothing but 3 squared, 5 squared, and then adding. That is 9 plus 25. This is 5 squared. Okay. 5 squared, 25, and I add 34. Here, this is 3 squared. This is 9 squared. So 3 squared is nothing but 9. This is 81. When I add both things, we'll be getting 90. Similarly, 1 squared and this is 5 squared. When I add 1 plus 25, it is 26. Simple problem. Yes. And here in this question, there is a typing mistake. You may get this question may be dropped. I think so. Why? Because see here, this is I actually. This is actually I. How they have done is, I'll write it here. Mention Lneitno. That is, except this first letter, right? All the things are just change their position. That's all. All the others are change the position. That's all. Okay. And M, before M it is L. Same thing, right? Similarly, for pattern, what they have done, Pattern. What they do, just they shuffle. They jumble the places. T will come here, A will come here, E will come here, T will come here, N will come here, R will come here. Look at the option. So before P, what will come? O will come. So OTAETNR. Option C will be the right answer. Yes, very good. Yes. I was also thinking, then I did C only. Very good, Lopa. Very good, very good, very good. Next question, next one. I have a doubt with this question. I try to solve, but after solving the question, I'll give you the right answer for this one. Okay. I was not able to do this one, but after trying, I'll just try to do this one. This is very simple. This is 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, and 7 cube. 343. Simple. And this is what we have done, right? Just see A, B, C, U, V, W. That's a sequence, right? If I take C, X, Y, Z, and then L, M, N, that's a sequence. P, Q, R sequence, E, F, G is the sequence. But this one, there is no sequence. So this will be the answer. 25B will be the answer. Yes. Yes. Actually, the answer for this one is 5. Yes. Yes. We can do it with sides. Yes. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Yes, Lopa, you are right. This is 3 sides. This is 1, 2, 3 sides. This is also 4 sides. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Actually, the answer is 5. I was thinking I was doing some kind of Pythagoras theorem and all I was applying there. But thank you, Lopa, for getting the answer rightly. Thank you. Yes. Very good, Lopa. Thank you. The right answer is 5. How it has been done? By means of sides. For the first one, they have 4 sides, right? So here 4 sides. For this one, 3 sides. For this one also, this is 4 sides. This one also 4 sides. For this one, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Very good. I've got the answer. Very good. Super. Next one. For this is also very easy. A man has a certain number of small boxes packed into parcels, and if he has 3, 4, 5, 6, either 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 in a parcel, means he is left with 1. Okay, if he packs 7 in a parcel, means then nothing will be there. Then we have to find out how many, now out of the number of boxes he may have to pack. This is very easy and simple to identify. Yes. Yes, we will do this one. For that, what we have to do is we have to find out the LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I take the LCM, I'll be getting 60. Okay. Why we have done this? We have to find out what is that remainder, right? So, have to compensate with that one. So, take that LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6, then it will become 60. Then they are telling 1 will be left. I don't know what that exact number of packs. So, that be X. So, 1 will be left there in the box. So, that is plus 1. That is plus 1. Now what they are going to do is, now they are going to make it a 7 in a pack. If they are going to make a 7 in a pack, means there is no remainder, they are telling you. Okay. So I just want to substitute some number with this 7, this X. which should be divisible by 7. So if I take 5 means this will become 301. This 301 will be divisible by 7. So the right answer for this question is what? It is 301. Okay. Right answer for this question is 301. We have to pack 301 box. Right answer is 301. Okay. Yes. Next one. This is very easy again. So make it 1, 2, 3 circles. That is Tamil, Hindi and Gujarati. Tamil knowing people is 6, Hindi knowing people is 15, Gujarati knowing people is 6. And they have given in a group none speak any other language. Okay. Two persons in the group can speak two languages. They have not mentioned which two languages, so that we can take any of the two we can write. I put there, and one person can speak all the three languages. So in the middle, I put one. Okay, and they have others there is nothing, so they will be putting 0 0 here. Okay, and we have to find out how many persons are there in a group. How can we write this? Tamil only. So we can minus from this one 6 minus 2 plus 1 3. This is 3. 15 minus 2 plus 1 3. This becomes 12. 6 minus 1. This will becomes what? This becomes 5. Yes. Yes. Yes, right. So what will be the answer? So we have to do 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 12 plus 5. That is equal to 5, 6, 18, 23. The right answer is 23. Yes, learners. Right answer is 23. Good. Yes, fine. Kindly do like the session, learners. Learners, kindly do like the session. Here the question next is how many squares and rectangles are present in the sign? Very easy. Squares, the outer one is one square, and inside that we have one square, right? This is a square. So two squares, right? And then inside that we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 6 squares. So squares is equal to 6. Then they have asked for rectangles. For rectangles, we can make this one. So two rectangles, and this angle also we can make rectangles. So 4. So according to me, I think so 10 is the right answer. According to me, 10 is the right answer. Yes. Yes, learners. Okay. Next one, some bricks or cement. So some brick or cement. Bricks, cement. Okay, bricks or cement. All cement or sand they have given. So all the cement will be comes under the sand one. All the cement will comes under sand one. Okay. So what they have given, no bricks or sand. No bricks or sand, there is no relation, right? Here can also write, yes, no bricks or sand will not come. There may be a option, so this will not be the right answer. Bricks or cement and sand. Bricks are cement and sand. Yes, that's it comes inside the sand, right? So option 2 will be the answer. Yes. Yes. Yes, we can't say that no bricks are sand, as there some cement are also in sand. Here also some bricks are here. So this will not be in a possibility. And we can say bricks are cement and sand. Yes. Yes. Bricks can be cement and also be sand. Yes. Next one. The next question. 2, 15, 41, 80. Is 2, 15, 41, 80. Here the right answer will be 132. How means they are just adding here 13. 2 plus 13 equal to 15. 15 plus 26 is equal to multiples of 13. That will become 41. 41 plus 39 is equal to 80. And then 80 plus 13 is equal to, not 13, sorry, into 4. 13 into 4, 12, carry 152, right? So 52, that is 132. Yes, the right answer is 132. Yes. Okay, yes, very good learners. And then next comes this is in the four vertical pillars, right? Four vertical pillars, NHERC, HEGCI, that one, right? Here, General Education Council is mainly, this is for funding. This is NAC, right? General Education Council is mainly meant for academic standard setting. Yes, yes. This comes under the four vertical pillars, okay? Yes. The main role is academic standard setting. This will be the right answer. Clear, learners? Yes. Next question. Which of the following are values? Ah, only. Which of the following are the values recommended by NEP that help to develop a good human beings? So for the good human beings, right, they need to have a scientific temper. A1 will not come. So one we can eliminate. We can eliminate one. Okay. We need to have a yes. The right answer is the resilience and the scientific temper will be there. One, um, I have a doubt with uh, creative imagination is there. Creative imagination is there. I have a doubt with this option in this question. I have a doubt in the option with this question because the values is to resilience will be there, scientific temper will be there. So I have a doubt with this question. I will let you know and then I will put it in the chat box. What you have all answered? B में नहीं ma'am 31. What is one? Kaushab? Uh, Definitely scientific temper will be there. Mm, they should be capable of rational thought and action, possessing compassion and empathy, courage and resilience, scientific temper and creative imagination. So many things are there given in the NEP document. So with regard to values, I have a doubt with this question. Yes. So the next one, which of the following is the first independent university in the pre-independent India, which provided holistic and multidisciplinary learning? Uh, Pre-independence, this will not come. Bombay and Calcutta both has been given multidisciplinary learning. Um, this one, this two will not come. With this one, we have to write which provided holistic and multidisciplinary learning. Multidisciplinary learning in pre-independence university. In pre-independence university, I think it's Calcutta, Calcutta University. Learners, what you wrote? I have a doubt with Calcutta University. Yes, I think so. It's Calcutta University because as it is simple logic, right? I think so. It's Calcutta University. Let me check and tell you. Okay. Yes. Next one. So with this two, my option will be this one. Let me check. And the knack is for assurance, quality assurance. Okay. Which of the following is the best method for inclusion of democratic values among the adult learners? It is self-discipline will be there. NDL is for digital learning. This also been asked in the net also. Vidwan database. So B4 only one option. Option D is the answer. A2 C is one RUSA. It is Rashtriya Uchitar Shiksha Abhiyan. It will increase the gross administration higher education. All the states will be having RUSA here. And NEET is for NEET D is 3, right? It is technology based alliance. And then this is internet, right? Application of ICT ensures wider coverage and accessibility of required information through internet. And the private networks that enterprises use of trusted third parties such as supplies. I think it's intranet, right? It is intranet. And internet of things. Very interesting question. And been coined in the year 1999 by Kevin Ashton, right? Kevin Ashton in the year 1999. Yes. And then the next one, a state of being constantly connected to technology, whether it is computer, smartphone, or the digital, is termed as I think it is digital savvy. I think it is digital savvy. Yes, digital person who has always been engaged with the technology things, right? I think so. So this not digi self will not come. Digi slavery will not come. Um, so I think so. It's digi savvy. I think so. Yes. It tends to be maximum, it should be digi savvy. The next anthropogenic is nothing but human activities, man-made activities, right? Man-made activities. Water pollution encourages the growth of invasive plants due to low level of nitrogen, affects mycoflora and microflora of soil, helps plants to grow and does not allow plants to absorb dangerous chemicals from water, affects the rate of photosynthesis of aquatic animals, right? Yes, affects the rate here will be there. Option 4 will be there, and helps the plants to grow, does not allow plants to absorb dangerous chemical. No, this will not be 3, will not be there. So option 3 will be eliminated. And encourage the growth industry due to low affects the micro. 2 and 4 will be the right answer. And identify the non-fossil fuels. Very, very easy question. Non-fossil fuels. Yes. Non-fossil fuels examples are all the wind, all those things we call it as non-fossil fuel, right? What they've given: coal, natural gas, or all. Uh, Uranium is non-fossil. Yes. Yes, uranium is a non-fossil fuel. Yes, it is a non-fossil fuel. Yes. I probably try to give the answers for all the one. Silent Spring is being written by Rachel Carson. Silent Spring is nothing but it's a book written by Rachel Carson. Okay, and he talked about the effect of what human has been doing it for the natural world. So how it has been affected negatively. It has been published there in the Silent Spring book. Yes. Very good. Improved human well-being, social equality, reduced environmental risk, and ecological scarcity associate the concept of improved well-being, social equity, reduced environmental risk, and ecological scarcities are associated with I think it's social system, a green economy should come, I think so. Right? So then next comes the reading comprehension. That's it to be very easy. Reading comprehension, you can do it. Yes, it's a long passage. Okay, right. So I think overall the question paper is said to be easy. Many things we have done it conceptually within our unified study classes. Yes, yes. So now I just want to tell you something regarding the so in Unified Study YouTube channel and the Unified Study app, we are giving the complete course for the learners who are preparing for your set examinations and also for your upcoming June 2024 examinations. You can just get into the website and you can see the details of complete course of UGC Net Set Paper 1. And there we have been started the course on 15th of December, and from 18th it's 18th we have the classes. We are starting with the foundation course concentrating on data interpretation and mathematical reasoning and basic preliminary things that are required for the paper 1. And then after the UGC announces the paper 1 updated syllabus, we'll be doing the more conceptual things. The new things will be incorporated in our detailed course, and you'll be doing with the PYQ, so MCQ practice as the complete course has been done. And you'll be having daily live course Monday to Friday. You'll be having the class from 8 to 9:30, right? We'll be having the classes from 8 to 9:30 every 8 to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. And we'll be probably having one day a group discussion will be there through a video call. We'll be having the group discussion, and weekly mock test will be given. And this is for the paper 2 also. Priyanka Chatterjee ma'am is doing for paper 2, and you can also get it for both the paper 1 and paper 2 for this subscription amount, right? And we're also give you a mock test as the exam's been hearing. We'll be giving you full length mock test will be there given, live interaction will be there for your UGC Net comprehensive course. Yes, learners those who wish to join can visit Unified Study platform for more details. For more, um, download the Unified Study app. The description we have given you the link. Yes, Hopefully we'll be getting, I think one question can be a problem in the question paper, that pattern, right? Alphabet pattern. That question may be a thing. The rest is it's set to be right. There is no issues with the, let us wait for the answer key to come, and then we'll have the rest discussion. New learners, kindly please subscribe the channel and share with your friends for more updates. Thank you so much. See you all. Tata. Bye.